Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be walking you through the step-by-step process of deploying 3CX on Amazon Lightsail using a self-hosted private cloud. Whether you are setting up 3CX for business communication or just exploring VoIP solution, this guide will help you get started quickly and easily. We'll cover creating a 3CX account, choosing the right hosting option, deploying 3CX on Amazon Lightsail, and configuring key settings for a successful setup. By the end of this video, you will have a fully functional 3CX phone system running on your own cloud instance. Let's get started. The first step is to create a 3CX account. So if you don't already have a 3CX account, you will need to create a 3CX customer account. This will serve as your central hub for managing your 3CX subscription. I have added the link in the description to help you set up your account. I'm creating my free 3CX portal account by registering with my Google email. Enter your details as shown. Now the second step is to deploy 3CX by selecting your hosting. You need to decide whether you want 3CX to host your system or if you prefer to self-host it in a private cloud or on-premise. So the first option for hosting is hosted by 3CX. With 3CX hosting, you will get automatic system and OS management handled by 3CX, seamless 3CX upgrades and updates, daily automated backups, 24/7 system and security monitoring. However, note that technical support is not included in this option. The second option is private cloud or self-hosted. So if you prefer more control, you can self-host 3CX on platforms like Google Cloud, Amazon AWS, Amazon Lightsail, Azure, or DigitalOcean. This option requires technical knowledge as you will be managing the 3CX instance yourself. So the third is on-premise installation. You can also install 3CX on Windows or Linux and run it on VMware, Hyper-V, or KVM in your office. For an on-premises setup, ensure you have a manageable DNS server, which could be Microsoft DNS or a firewall-based DNS with split DNS configured. You also need to have a static IP address and a properly configured firewall with the necessary VoIP ports open. For this guide, I'll be deploying 3CX on a self-hosted private cloud using Amazon Lightsail. I'm choosing Amazon Lightsail because it is a simplified, cost-effective version of Amazon AWS, easier to set up as compared to traditional AWS services, and it's ideal for small-scale installations. Before proceeding, you will need an Amazon Lightsail account. You can create one from Amazon Lightsail sign up. I'll put the link in the description. So select self-hosted private cloud and click next. Once you select self-hosted private cloud, then choose a personalized domain FQDN. Each 3CX install require an FQDN, fully qualified domain name through which you can log into the web client. 3CX can set this up for you. This cannot be easily changed later on, so be careful. Set extension length. Define the number of digits for PBX extensions. This cannot be modified later. Select your country and time zone and click Next. From the drop-down, choose Amazon Lightsail, then enter your access key ID and secret access key and click Next. Name your Lightsail instance, select your region, SSH key pair and machine type, then click Next. You can also get the machine sizing guide by going to the hardware requirement page in 3CX. At this point, 3CX will begin deploying. Do not close or refresh the windows until the setup is finished. Once the setup is complete, you will receive your login details. And that's it. You have successfully deployed 3CX on Amazon Lightsail using a self-hosted private cloud. By following this step, you now have full control over your 3CX system while leveraging the simplicity and affordability of Amazon Lightsail. Here, my 3CX is ready and I got my login page. Keep your login details safe and use it to log in to your 3CX portal. In the next step, you can start configuring your extension, setting up ctrl, and fine-tuning your systems for optimal performance. Stay tuned for more tutorials where I'll guide you through the next phase of 3CX setup and management. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Also check the description for useful links and additional resources. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.